Alright, today we're going to take a look at the new Helion Dominus 10TR 4x4 Brushless. Comes with a 3500 kV motor, 35 amp speed control, can handle 2S. Comes with an 1800 milliamp battery and charger, 2.4 gigahertz radio. Nice aluminum chassis, nice tires. It's pretty nice looking. So when we take it out of the box, you get a nice radio, 2.4. The truck, very nice looking chuggy. Looks pretty nice. For $260, it's pretty nice. Comes with some tools, some extra clips for the shocks, manual. Alright, let's take the body. Peel off everything. Take the body off. Take a look at underneath this thing. Alright, as you see, it's got an 1800 milliamp pack. 3500 kV brushless motor and 30 amp speed control, waterproof, all waterproof. Pretty nice aluminum chassis. All in all, for $260, seems like a pretty solid platform. Pretty nice. Even though the stock pack is, a little small, you can always get new batteries. Can't complain for brushless, waterproof, and being $260 four-wheel drive. Very nice. Thanks for looking.